Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. Started thinking maybe they want everything white, all these lines to be white and not show through on the t-shirt. The only way I can really think about doing this is, let's see how big this thing is. It's 3.3, so we're going to make our nudge factor 3.5. We're going to take a duplicate of this, control, or just hit the plus key on your keyboard. And then we're going to take the entire thing and we're going to go to object and break the curve apart. And by doing that, we made it all white. Now I'm going to get rid of that little line. Whoop, I nudged it a little bit, so I need to nudge it back. So basically you have a white line. I'm going to take away the outline, so we just have a white figure. I'm going to nudge it back to my item. And then I'm going to grab the white and I'm going to go to object. I'm going to go to order. I'm going to put it to the back of page. Now it looks like it's wrong, but I'm going to take the pink now, order, and back of page. So now you have white, white, white. I don't know if that's what they're wanting. You know, the lines would engrave, or I'm guessing the lines would print. There are hairlines right now, so we need to, I don't know anything about printing. We need to make them a little bit thicker so they won't. That might be too thick, but also I've reduced this thing in size quite a bit, and I did not scale with objects, so it's going to kind of look like that. Let's take away this one, and let's make our box bigger. Now, the only problem with that, the center's white now. Let's go to object. Well, we can't do anything about it, maybe. Let's try if we can't. Yep, that's taking the center white. So, okay, here's what we could do. I've made it quite a bit bigger now, so I need to remember that I nudged it. We could take a smart fill tool, fill that in, but we're actually going to make it black. Make it black. I could have made my smart fill black, but I just, for time. Now I can take all those black items. I'm going to put an outline around this. Right click. I'm going to take my black items and nudge them over. Because now what I can do, I think this is still white. Let's use yellow, make a bounding box. Yep, so everything's white except for the black. We might be able to trim that out, but the easiest thing to do would maybe select it and put no fill. And then take your smart fill tool, set on white, and fill that in, and now only the other part's white. And then go to object, order, back of page. So now the interior, that might be what they want. That looks pretty cool. Well, tell you what, I need to take my paint box, go order, back of page. There we go. That's what it would look like. Everything's white except for these black lines. And you could change that, those black lines if you engulfed everything, and you could change all the lines to a blue. You could change them to that pink and just see what happens. That way, I don't know. I don't know what they're real. You probably couldn't match the pink of the shirt, but you don't have to have them black. You could make them red or yellow or, you know, brown. Well, I was actually playing around too far on that one, but you wouldn't want them yellow. So let's just go back to black. So now everything's white. So I just don't know, but that's how you could get a little information on how to get rid of that white in that center. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.